You don't want oil?
Full.
Check in is at 4 and check out is at 11, like you know, probably.
Hello everyone, good morning, welcome back to the channel. It's early in the morning and we are at the camp where we came yesterday, and now we are preparing to hit the road to our next destination, and to one more night, and then we leaving the Iceland with ferry tomorrow, inshallah. And I met this guy from Poland. He's a very nice guy. Let me chat with him, yeah, share experience. First benzene, I think so. So we have to fill up tanks and then we hit the road toward next destination.
What do you want? Coffee? Americano?
You don't want oil?
Full. Here.
No. Yes.
You bake it, yeah, full. Yeah.
Coffee.
Coffee, sandwich.
Maybe, yeah. Yeah, I'm coming. We can see. If I'm tired, then I go to hotel.
Yeah, and hotel we send you.
Yeah, I know. I know. It will be okay. Guys, we take some coffee and croissant. And now we going to the first location. It's here somewhere. And then to another, then to another. They are also going to Puffin Birds, but it's totally on the different way. Maybe I can skip that, go direct to the hotel maybe. We can see how it's working. If you guys see, here was the mount, it's broken. I think so. We're going on the left, not on the right. We have to go there or there?
There.
It's so long. Here you go. Guys, look at that view.
A few moments later.
Welcome back, guys. I skipped that location with them, and I have to go direct to the hotel. It will take me about 3 hours, 2 minutes, and it is 208 kilometers from here. So hope step by step, and take a little bit rest in the hotel because I am totally exhausted this 1 week. I need some rest. So guys, enjoy the music and video. It's raining here. No chance for drone. Look at that. Amazing. Look at that peak. But all the bridges is small. You have to wait for another. This is old version. Maybe they can make new. Now we coming to the other side. Guys, see this incredible view and this road. Fishing. It's very good, but not much traffic. Totally empty road. Welcome back, guys. It was long gravel road here, and the camera was off, and also navigation was totally off. Maybe there's a battery. I mean my telephone. And I was think because from other side of the mountain start to here where I'm standing was gravel on the top of the mountain, and now I fix back this, and because now I have eye on the road. This one, you see, start. So it's okay. I think maybe it's not that way or something, because but there was a traffic on this, because I think it's maybe this one is correct one, because a lot of traffic is coming. You see, still car is coming toward us. So now I fix it. Now hit the road again. It's still 1 hour 7 minutes to the destination. So now we back to the main road, maybe down. No cars, you see. Not on the back, not on the front. You can use any line. I'm using some time for when it's curved to the other side. Because no traffic, no problem. Look at that mountains on the end. Incredible. And here I think I can make a break to drink something, and
A few moments later.
Welcome back. Fill up benzene, and now it's 38 minutes to the guest house or hotel, I don't know. Snow a little bit on the top. Look at this road,
A few moments later.
Fault here on the gravel. So look.
Shall we raise it and hold it right?
So guys, this was another part of adventure. Yes, now this guy helped me. That time was because a lot of fog outside, so even barely see the ground. And yeah, but these mistakes teach you things. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now I have to slowly go down. I'm thinking about tomorrow how I can make it on this road. Go inside and find out. We have reservations from.
Do you have for the guest house?
3 people.
Okay, so the checkout is at 4.
Checkout is.
Checkout is at check-in is at 4 and checkout is at 11, like you know probably. Yeah. So the guest house is not ready yet. We are still getting it ready.
But I can use the shower.
We have showers here in front too, so that you can use.
Okay, so it's still. I have to wait two.
No, you can just wait until it's ready.
Okay.
He's just finishing cleaning it.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm gonna check how.
Yeah, if it's possible.
A few moments later.